Hi guys, I'm Amanda Ethington, and I'm excited to be in this class with you guys. For my object days, I'm just showing you pictures because I felt like it was going to be easier. So, here it goes. So, up here, my favorite object is my family. The one I've created. I do love the family I was born into and the one I married into. But this is my little family. My husband, Jimmy, my oldest Anders, Grant. This is over a year old picture, so they're a little bit older, and we're expecting our third boy due in March. So hopefully I can do this class and have a baby. I think I will be okay. Newborns are still. A little object about me. I love board games. I like games. I like thinking and having fun with different people, and so I'm always up for a game night. Another object I love very much is Dr. Pepper. I have one probably every day, and it just tastes so good. If there wasn't Dr. Pepper, I would just drink water. And then my last favorite object would have to be my minivan. I was pretty excited when I upgraded to the minivan, and we're gonna need that extra space, and it's really nice to drive. So this is us getting our minivan this year, and I love the thing. Anyways, I'm excited to be in this class with you, and thank you very much for your time.